is being hailed as a hero today after it flexed its claws to save its 4-year-old master who was being attacked by a neighborhood dog.
You're about to see some amazing video. This 4-year-old boy is riding his bike outside his home in Bakersfield, California. But a neighborhood dog is off its leash and about to pounce. He attacks the little boy, dragging him off his bike. And who comes to the rescue? The family cat. Watch her leap on the cowardly dog and chase him away. Look again. Here she comes to save the day. She may not be Mighty Mouse, but this cat named Tara saved a little boy from being mauled. The child, Jeremy Triantafilo, had 10 stitches in his leg, but he's doing fine today, and that is one courageous cat.
The dog, a Labrador Chow mix, was voluntarily quarantined. Authorities will decide whether or not it needs to be put down.